MLA Scholarship Assam 2024 Apply SUHRID Application Form. The Transformation Development Department, Assam, has introduced a program named SUHRID, commonly known as MLA Scholarship, aimed at assisting students in pursuing their higher education. On this video, you will discover comprehensive details regarding the SUHRID MLA Scholarship Scheme, including the new application process, application form, necessary documents, and last year's merit list. All details discuss. So, watch till the end. Overview of SUHRID MLA Scholarship 2024. Name of Department: Transformation and Development Department, Assam. Name of Scheme: SUHRID Scholarship Scheme. Type of Scheme: Financial Assistance, Education and Health Sector. State: Assam. Application Process: Offline. Last date of apply will be confirmed by the local MLA. Scholarship amount: 5,000 to 20,000. Qualification: Class 10th and above. The SUHRID scheme aims to provide support to the poor and indigent citizens of each constituency in terms of healthcare and higher education. Under this scheme, the MLAD, Member of Legislative Assembly Area Development Fund, has been augmented with an additional grant of 50 lakh rupees per constituency, specifically for MLAs. This financial assistance is intended to address the needs of the underprivileged individuals within their respective constituencies. General rules for SUHRID MLA Scholarship Assam. Only one beneficiary may be selected from a particular family in one financial year. Successful students will be eligible to get repeat financial assistance for the entire course period in his/her educational institution, but once only in an academic year. General category students will be eligible for vocational education recognized by any government, university and institution recognized under PMKVY. The beneficiary should neither be from the MLA's family nor his/her relatives nor any government employee or his/her dependents. Document required to apply SUHRID Scholarship Scheme: a recent passport size photograph, active and valid mobile number. A bank account must be in a nationalized bank or regional rural banks or Assam Apex Bank. A valid ID proof. The following list of documents can be used as proof of identification: PAN card, passport, voter ID, driving license, NREGA job card, photo ID issued by a recognized educational institution, certificate of identity with a photo issued by a gazetted officer, address card with name and photo provided by the Department of Posts. How to apply for MLA Scholarship 2024? We strongly recommend you to contact your local MLA of your constituency to know more about this scheme. There are several conditions of this scheme, that's why we strongly suggest you contact your MLA's office. After confirmation, eligible and interested candidates can submit their offline MLA scholarship application for this scholarship by below provided simple steps. Scroll down, check the important link section. Download the MLA Scholarship Assam application form. Fill that form with your correct information. Attached all the required documents with application form to sealed envelope. Submit to this sealed envelope your local MLA of your constituency or DC office. Please note that you should not use this application form. Instead, please use the usable application link provided in the comment box and description box section. Selection process of SUHRID MLA Scholarship. The MLAs are responsible for submitting the names of the selected beneficiaries to the respective Deputy Commissioner of the district. The Deputy Commissioner then reviews the applications and selects eligible students to receive scholarships. MLA Scholarship Beneficiary List 2024. Every year, the list of students who have been granted the MLA Scholarship is published on the dedicated websites of each district. So, this was today's video. Please subscribe and share this video. So, thanks for watching the video.